Ever wondered how other people manage their money but were too shy to ask? We asked for you in Got Money, Got Talk.
Hi, I'm Mark. I turned 54 this year and I'm married with 2 kids, aged 23 and 19. I work as a finance manager. I have about 1.3 million in savings and investments. I take home about 7,500 a month after CPF. The family utilities and telco bills comes out to about $650. Our catered weekday dinner costs $400. Our monthly grocery spend usually hovers around $250. And 1.3K goes towards savings and protection plans. My mom's allowance is 1K, and that leaves me with 3.9K to spend every month. This month, my mom said our oven was giving her problems, so I got her a new one. My wedding anniversary is also coming up, and so I bought a pair of pearl earrings for my wife. Then I gave my son a token ang pao because he OR'd. That's generally how I spend my money. I think our family lives quite comfortably, thanks to my mom buying our current home nearly 40 years ago, because it's large enough to house my family as well. Retirement-wise, I started planning when I turned 40, and I think about 70% there. We'll probably continue working till grandkids comes along, and then downgrade to a smaller place. With rental income from our second property, we should have enough to cover our needs. We're not expecting our kids to support us, but if they want to contribute a little, we'll take it as a bonus.